Hey guys, it's Katie here. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to get free leads online. It is absolutely the easiest and the fastest way to get free leads. I've personally never seen anything like it in my over a decade now online marketing experience. So if you click the link below this video, you'll be able to see this page right here. Just put in your email, your name, and you'll be able to get to this page right here where you will learn everything about this in this video right here. So I've just recently came across a traffic source that I've actually never thought would be an amazing traffic source for marketers. It's great for entertainment, but I never thought that it would be actually a great traffic source for marketers where people are getting real results and people are getting visitors, leads, and sales, and it works amazing at the time that I'm recording this video. So as you can see, there's some results that have been posted on this page. The traffic source that we are talking about here is TikTok, and I know you might think it's for kids, it's for teenagers, but trust me, everyone is on it. It's not just for kids or teenagers. There's lots of people who are from different age groups and different walks of life, and many people are on it who are actually interested in buying things and things that you are going to be putting out there and promoting. So get rid of the mentality that it's just for kids or teenagers, because it is absolutely not true, because so many people are getting great results with it already. And I believe more and more people will start seeing results in the coming days and months ahead. So here is some of the results that I wanted to share with you. Barry says, wow, just made a sale off TikTok. Only started putting up videos yesterday. So with TikTok, how it works is you put out either 15-second or 60-second videos and drive traffic with those videos. And the amazing fact about TikTok is that a lot of videos are going viral, even for people whose videos never went viral, either like on YouTube or Facebook or other platforms. On TikTok, a lot of people are getting their videos to go viral. So that's how people are getting a lot of video views and, clicks to their website and leads and of course, sales. So then Linda shows her results here. It says, how many views she got in the last 7 days. And she's saying that she has been generating an incredible amount of leads per day, and it's growing for her. So also Alexander shows his results, 10,000 views in the last 7 days. And then as you can see, you'll be able to see all these results and everything about this. If you click the link below this video, you'll be able to learn all about this, how it works. So Tony says, how many views he got. He got 437 followers, and then he's getting leads and also he's getting sales from TikTok. So Mark also shows all his results and how many, followers he has, how many likes and leads, and how much money he's making. He says, I made my first $1,000 commissions a few weeks ago. So which says not only that you can get smaller commissions, there's also an opportunity to get higher commissions as well. And again, I cannot guarantee any results in this video. I'm just sharing with you what people are getting, and some of these people are people who I personally know, and I just wanted to share this with you because it's an incredible opportunity where you can be a part of. You can, create your own TikTok account, watch this video, learn exactly what what you're gonna get access to if you decide to get this course. At the moment, it's just $1, so it's not a big investment at all. You'll get access to an incredible course on how to grow your TikTok account and how to be able to make your videos go viral and have an opportunity to get similar results. And again, I don't know what you're gonna do exactly, so I don't know if you will follow through, so I cannot guarantee results, but it definitely works for people. It works for me as well. I've just recently opened my TikTok account and I got thousands of views, so it definitely works. So as you can see, there's lots and lots of results and proof that it actually works. So I just wanted to bring this up to you and tell you that it is absolutely possible to get free leads online, and it is possible to do it with TikTok. And not only leads, but it is also possible to get sales. It is a huge opportunity here. If you'd like to learn more about it, if you'd like to check out this video and learn exactly what people are doing and how they're doing it, go ahead and check out the link below this video. I would love to also have you as a TikTok follower and connect with you on TikTok as well. I will link my TikTok username below this video. Let's connect and let's go out there and crush it. It is possible to make money online. It is possible to get leads and to get free leads, and it is possible to achieve your dreams, whatever it is that your dream is. Maybe to get out of job, maybe to make extra income online. It is absolutely possible, and I believe in you 100%. All you need is a right opportunity, right tool, and right guidance that will show you and tell you exactly what you need to do in order to get results online. Like this video if you enjoyed it, comment below if you have any questions for me, and also subscribe if you're not subscribed here on YouTube to my channel. I like to put out a lot of content for you guys on how to do online marketing and how to make money online, and just inspirational content as well. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.